It's taken a little over 4 years from conception to reality, but thanks to collaboration, donations, and funding from the legislature, Dixie Technical College has a new permanent home.
On July 1st, 2017, the DXATC officially became Dixie Technical College. We want to pay tribute to the two past presidents who were instrumental in making this dream a reality.
The new campus site consists of 30 acres, which was purchased from the city for $1.
When the City of St. George generously donated this property and the terminal building to the college, that was a huge trigger for the start of our new campus.
All of this was built for less than $220 per square foot. I am proud to say we accomplished our goals. Not one person got their wish list, but collectively, I think we met most everyone's needs.
The mayor said the dream began with support from the community's rich history of working together.
A big dream, a wild and bodacious dream. You don't accomplish it without everybody.
During a ribbon-cutting ceremony, supporters of Dixie Tech said it's just what the community needs.
Is need of trained welders, auto mechanics, body repairs, IT experts, doctors, nurses, pharmacy techs. The list goes on. These folks are the backbone and the bedrock of this community.
Since October of 2017, the technical school in its new location has nearly tripled in size and student population, with room to grow. It's another resource for those looking to pursue new skills, no matter what the age. A tour of the state-of-the-art facilities shows just what the students can expect.
Look at it, and they're like, okay, where do I sign? So it makes my job a lot easier doing recruiting because I really don't have to say anything anymore. I just show them what we have to offer.
The most popular class is digital media.
Right now we have 33 students, and we have a huge backlog of students. So our waiting list is like twice the size of the actual amount of students we have right now.
Designing local graphics for area businesses and events, as well as videos.
We have a print lab, we have a photo lab, we've got more equipment. All of the Macs have been upgraded. We've got even an edit room that has 2 Mac Pros that we can actually render 8K footage on. It's crazy.
Each floor of the 3-story, 160,000 square foot main building is color-coded, housing different trade specialties. The first floor is Greene and teaches one of the newest specialties on campus, culinary arts. Students gave away samples of homemade desserts like Bananas Foster.
It's a year-long program, so for the first 6 months they'll actually be working back here in the kitchen in the classroom, and then after 6 months they'll be in the cafeteria area preparing specials and food for the guests.
They also catered this event, learning from experienced top chefs.
We currently have 6 students. It is our first cohort, and we started last Monday. So for a feat like a ribbon cutting for 500 people for new students, they did a really great job.
A new garden is planned out back where culinary students will soon grow fresh food to prepare in the culinary classroom. In the pharmacy, technicians even learned how to make chapstick.
And this chapstick is beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, and almond oil with just peppermint flavoring.
The industrial building houses Dixie Tech, mechanics, welding, plumbing, and electrical.
It's great for the students to be able to spread out, have their own separate units to work on, individual stations that they can learn the concepts on. It's amazing compared to our old campus.
In the diesel mechanics class, the gantry lift can pick up to 5 tons of weight and is the largest in the state of Utah. Since opening its doors in 2001, Dixie Tech has provided skills to students looking to support local industries.
Has anybody ever heard of 3D printing?
The technical trade school began with 5 programs and now has 22. Thanks to the dedicated staff and employees who also pitched in with time and donations, the facility is like a dream come true.
And before we put any pencil to paper, we imagined the Dixie Tech instructors and students of today and tomorrow doing just that, using tools and technology to transform their lives. What will their lives be like? What will be their tools?
And it wasn't one dream, because if you look around this building, every single feature of this building was somebody's dream.
The mechanics department is now double the size of the old one, and many of the techs who graduate from this program will go on to work at Stephen Wade Auto or other local repair shops in the community. Dixie Tech boasts about a 95% placement in some fields, especially in information technology and computer-based programs.
In St. George, post-graduation, we're probably looking between $12 and $15 an hour to start.
Tech Ridge will soon have technical companies moving in to coincide with many of the classes offered.
5, 10, 15 years, we're going to see this be a hub of new jobs, higher paying jobs, and education working in close collaboration with those businesses and future and even current employees to make all that happen.
Those who toured the new facility left with a real visual of the program teachings.
Love the way the campus is designed with classrooms that are put together to mimic the settings that the students will be ultimately working with. So they're not just getting classroom experience, but practical experience within their classes.
From Dixie Tech, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.